Hello everyone, I am Sunaina Kadhari Khanna from Amritsar, Punjab. I am a home chef and my Instagram page is Sunaina Hometown Flavors 918. Today I have got a very beautiful opportunity from Febina to show my inner potential. I am going to make two snacks for children which they love it. My children, they really love it. They are rice lollipops and paneer wheels. So I'll start with the rice lollipops. First of all, what you have to do is take a little garlic which I have already chopped. I'll take a garlic and put a little oil in the pan. Little oil in the pan. A little bit of garlic. Then I'll put a little rice. See, हमेशा rice बच जाते हैं. Whenever you make rice, the leftover rice are always there. So never throw the rice. You can always make use of it the other day. So what I'll do, I'll put a little rice in it. Let the garlic splutter a little. I'll put a little rice. Put a little water. And add a little oregano, which will give a very good flavor. A little chili flakes. And of course a little bit of salt. Then my favorite and my children's favorite ingredient, cheese. You can put any cheese in it, or mozzarella cheese or the other cube cheese, whatever is available, that doesn't matter. So the cheese is melting and now I'll put the rice in the bowl and it'll थोड़ा जब ठंडा हो जाएगा, then I have to make the balls of it. In the meantime, I'll start with the other snack. जितनी देर ये ठंडा हो रहा है. So the other one is I'll take a little bit of grated paneer. Then few vegetables. As you know, children don't eat vegetables. So this is the way you can give vegetables to your children. I have put in it capsicum, onion, carrot, whatever vegetables you want to put, whatever are available with you. Then a little bit of pizza pasta sauce, and of course a little bit of garlic. Then oregano and chili flakes. little bit of salt, and of course cheese in it. I'll do it with my hand, whatever preference you. See, I've washed my hands properly as corona is also going on. So you need to wash your hands properly again and again. So I have done it. Now I'll take a slice piece. You can take any bread and just below it. Cut the sides. And place it, the little mixture, on the bread and turn it. I have already made the corn flour mixture. You have to put 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and you can use it to put it on the bread. And so see, these are the paneer wheels. I'm going to do it on the pan. So I put this on the, I'll not fry this because I'm going to fry the paneer lollipops, rice lollipops. So I'm going to put it here. So now rice thoda thanda ho gaya hoega. So I'll make out the balls of it. You can make bigger balls or the small ones, that is up to you. See, this is the size of balls I'm making. Put it in the corn flour mixture. Put it on the breadcrumbs. And then you can fry it. Oh, they're smelling good. So they are light golden brown. Now I'll change this. Oh, see, they've come so good. So as the cheese is also melting in it. Now I'll make a lollipop out of rice. So you can get these sticks anywhere. course the sauce with it. You can give tomato sauce, but I have made a sauce at home, a dip at home, with a little mustard sauce and a little sweet chili sauce. So now I'll check over it. This is done. Now I see paneer wheels. See, they've come out so good and crispy. So I'll place it on the platter. So these are the two snacks which my children, they really love it, and of course your children will also love it. Please comment me, please give me so many views, like my video. Love you all. Please make me win this. Thank you so much.